Hello there and welcome to this video. Now what we're going to do is we're going to add the logic to the button. So exciting stuff. Let's get to it. So this is the application here and let's go and select the button. Okay. And you're gonna have to come here on the you're gonna have to come here in the on click event. Okay. And this is where we're gonna write the logic. All right, let's get started. So first thing is the text here is show panel, so keep that in mind. So what we want to do is when the user clicks on the button, we want to hide the button. When the user clicks on the button, we want to be able to show the button. So it's like a on off kind of a logic. So let's get to it. So we're going to be using a simple if else block. Here what we're going to do is we're going to reference to ourselves. So we're going to say me, which is basically a kind of a superclass, if you will. As you can see here, this is me button 2. Okay, so and then we're going to call another subclass inside this, which is going to be get the value of text. So this is going to make sense in just a little bit. So first let's get text. So what we're going to do is we're going to see what the value of the text is. Okay, so if the value of the text is, as you can see now, which is show panel. Okay, so right as you see, and make sure that you don't have gaps where you don't want and things like that. So this is exactly as it is here now. Okay, so we're saying if me.text, that is if the value of the text is show panel, okay, that's the logic or that's the condition, then do something, which is, let's get it down here. Okay, that's much easier. Then me, okay, dot, there's something called SetText. Okay, so first we're going to change the value of text. So we're gonna change it to hide panel. So this all makes sense in just a little bit. Just hold on. So we're gonna say hide panel. All right. Then what we're gonna do is we are going to, okay, so this is wrong. Let's correct it. All right, there you go. Now we want to say exactly what has to happen, which is to make the panel visible, because keep in mind that the value of the button was show panel. That means you could not see the panel, the user could not see the panel, so the user is clicking on the button. So what we're doing is we're setting the button's value to hide panel, because next time when the user clicks, or when next time when the user wants to see or is seeing the application, it should show hide panel, because by now what we're going to write is to show the panel. So we are working with the panel number 2. So you just say panel, okay, and say control space, and there you go, panel number 2. Okay, so this is panel 2 dot, there is a function called SetVisible. Okay, there you go, and simply you can set this to true, or you can set it to false as your use case wants you to do. Okay, there you go. So now hopefully this makes a little bit sense that the current value of the panel is show panel. Okay, when the user actually clicks on it, naturally the panel's value will change to hide panel, so that the next time the user sees is going to say hide panel, and the next step we're doing is to actually show the panel. Now if this is not the case, then else you're gonna write the opposite. So me dot, again, is set text, okay, to show panel. All right, there you go, and panel, control space, to set visible, okay, to false. So this is a simple button logic which you would have already used somewhere. So if the text is show panel, then hide the panel, and of course show the panel, else keep the text as show panel and hide the panel. So now hopefully this makes sense. So that's all we need to do. Okay, and everything looks good, so let's save it and let's test it. Really exciting time. Let's see how this works out. All right, so we are supposed to be in top 10 customers. All right, showtime. So keep in mind that these two are inside the panel. Okay, so I want to say click show the panel and nothing happened. Okay, there you go, it happened. So show panel, you can see the panel, hide panel, you can hide the panel, show panel, see the panel, hide panel, hide the panel. Really good stuff, really good stuff. So if we can do this, really good. You're getting ahead in Design Studio. In the next video, we're going to see how to work with a similar use case, but a slight variation in terms of how the user selects and interacts. And of course, we're going to be using conditional logic. I'll see you in the next video.